In today's video, we're going to learn how to build a mind map in Microsoft Word. A mind map is a powerful visual tool that helps you organize ideas, brainstorm concepts, and plan projects in a clear and structured way. Instead of writing long lists of notes, a mind map allows you to connect ideas visually, making it easier to understand the relationships between different topics. Although Microsoft Word is primarily known as a word processing program, it also includes built-in tools that make creating simple mind maps quick and easy. By using features like shapes, smart art, and connectors, you can build a clean and organized diagram directly inside your document. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Having a blank page will give you plenty of space to design your mind map. If needed, you can switch the page orientation to landscape by going to the Layout tab, selecting Orientation, and choosing Landscape. This provides more horizontal space to expand your ideas and arrange the elements of your diagram. Next, insert the main idea of your mind map. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose a shape such as an oval or rectangle. Click and drag in the center of the page to draw the shape. Then click inside the shape and type your main topic or concept. This shape will serve as the core of your mind map, where all other ideas will branch out. Once the main idea is in place, start adding branches for related ideas. Go back to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose another shape for your subtopics. Place these shapes around the central idea. For example, if your main topic is project planning, the surrounding subtopics might include research, budget, timeline, and resources. After inserting the shapes, click inside each one and type the name of the subtopic. To show how these ideas are connected, add lines or connectors between the shapes. Go to Insert, click Shapes, and choose a line or connector. Draw lines from the main topic to each subtopic. These connectors visually represent the relationships between your ideas and help structure the flow of information. You can also enhance the appearance of your mind map by customizing the shapes and colors. Select any shape and use the Shape Format tab to change the color, outline, or style. Using different colors for each branch can make the diagram easier to read and help separate different groups of ideas. And that's it. You've created a mind map in Microsoft Word. This approach is useful for brainstorming, planning essays, outlining presentations, or organizing complex information. With just a few shapes and connectors, you can transform a simple document into a clear visual representation of your thoughts. If you think this video is helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos.